What did you guys do over the summer break?
Nothing, just played video games.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, piano.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Hey,
Oh
nerd.
man,
Hey,
I'm
nerd.
super hungry.
Hey, get off him, man.
Hey, I'm gonna poke your eye out now.
You don't poke his eye out. Get over there. Get off my friends.
Please.
Guys, meet me in the office after school.
Dang it. Summer break.
Lucky Monkey, I need to discuss to you about your day.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I have no other choice to expel you from the school.
But I have no other to kill you.
Lucky, what? What are you doing? Man, get out of here.
It's got me in here. So we're live right now inside the gorilla school, and there's just been a murder and a teacher stuffed inside of a Santa costume. Live right here.
There appears to be a body stuffed inside the sink, and I will not touch it because it is unsanitary. I am currently working on getting ready to clear the crime scene.
Bro, where am I? Forget I stabbed the teacher 100 million times. Okay. Where are we? I don't know.
Lucky Monkey versus Travis. Please come up the fan.
Whoa. Whoa, my God. Oh, God. That felt weird. Looks like we're...
Get ready, fight.
Okay. We gotta go on the fan. Yeah. Going over here, man. I'm going here.
Fight.
Oh, man. Oh, you messed up. Ah, so did you.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like to buy some cupcakes?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, we're going home. Hey, kid. What do you get for filling the tournament? What are you looking at?
God, what did I just do? I gotta go.
Put your hands up. Why do you have blood all over you? Taser. Play nice.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Beep Lucky Monkey, here's your food. What are we talking? Eat. Oh, did that hurt?
Oh, this hurts.
How?
Oh, this hurts.
Oh. Oh, not you again. Put your hands up.
Oh.
Oh.
It's just. Travis, look.
The alarms. Somebody in the house. Lucky Monkey? I'm not going to use the gun on you because I'm not trying to kill you because you're my best friend and pretty sure you were just in jail. Oh, yeah. Why is your name Unlucky Monkey now? Well, new hero name, I guess.
Please. Don't take this part.
Idiot of regenerating and strength. Come here. Guess I will have to use the gun. Oh, my arm. Oh. Auto punch. Activate. An outlet and a fork and a rope. Rope's tied. Oh, dude. Oh, my face. Gasoline. Gasoline. Lighter.
Can't get rid of that easily.
Dad, question. Can I borrow some bandages? I need to change the bandages on my arms. Can I have some bandage? Can I have a bandage? I need to change
What
the
happened?
bandage. You don't remember the house got blown to pieces? And I was inside of it the second that it went in flames.
Yeah, here's the band-aids.
Thanks.
Son, I'll be right back. I gotta go get some stuff. Love
You
this
serious?
stuff.
I forgot it's almost Halloween again.
Yeah, bro.
This is a good
Just making sure the
costumes.
kids love it.
Nowhere selling this for
$50.
$50. Yeah, those are dangerous. Make sure those are filed down. I've got some
will.
shirts to put back on the mannequins.
And it squirts blue dye.
That's just wonderful.
See, I kind of already missed.
Oh, come
When I
on.
tried it out, I missed. Why do we have a big pile of snow?
I don't know. Didn't you say there was a Santa Claus mascot coming?
I mean, I didn't.
Didn't you say Santa was coming to the store? I know.
Yes, but
That might have been my
didn't
fault.
order this much.
That might have been my fault.
How much did you order?
Can you come over here for a minute? When is this place gonna open?
I don't know. The design team's. I don't know. You want to go check it out?
We can a little bit, but I gotta go back up. Gotta put some stuff on my arm.
I'll go restock some stuff.
Place sick. Oh, this place is cool. Polar
Oh, they
bear.
even got a polar bear. What's over
Why-
here?
uh,
Oh.
Bro, what is this? Did you did you have to tell a design?
Some snow.
Did you have to tell a design team to put the snow globe on his head
Yeah.
with the ice cube going through it?
Yeah. You gotta tell him that.
I'm beating the crap out of them. Anyways, oh, by the way, they gave us the total on the house. They said it's about $1 million worth of stuff. Also,
$1 million.
that means we can finish the blocks. Come on.
Yeah. I'll be like,
Looks like
Well,
they already
you'll be
started
like-
building stuff for this place. This looks like Dad. This looks like the battle arena that I was in. Remember?
yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. Do my powers still
I
work?
don't know how. Oh, it's even
Oh,
That's
yep,
not-
they still work.
no fans and
That was fun. It was fun. Anyways, well, pretty cool so far. Yeah.
so far, yeah.
Gotta go pay the design team because apparently they're demanding $1,000 per day, and we already owe them like $10,000. Long day at work, restocking.
Oh, you little. Come on. Lucky monkey. I got him for you.
Good.
Oh, he's.
I gotta get out of here.
Get back here, you bastard!
Oh crap! I forgot the place to talk to Mask.
Oh crap, me too.
Do this, I don't care.
Oh,
Where'd he go?
Oh crap, where did he go?
right here, stupid. Crap! I think that took him into OG Caves.
Let's
Oh,
let's
I'm going. Oh, you idiot!
What the hell?
Crap!
Get over
Oh
here!
shoot!
Get over here!
Action! Oh,
Get over here!
syringe! I love you like the taste of whatever this is.
Oh.
Come on! What's in that syringe? Oh no! Who? What?
You did this!
Oh God!
Oh,
Leave his arm!
you did this! You deserve it!
I can't just leave him here to destroy the whole planet. Come on! Hey, come here!
Hey! Get back here!
Action. Come on. Well, this is the end. Kill you.
Ah!
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Sorry about this. It's gonna burn.
what the fuck are you doing? What the hell?
Oh my God! Everybody, get down! Get down! Get down!
Are you okay, sir?
Yeah, you
Why is his eyes are blue?
We gotta take him to the lab. Come on, let's go.
Finally got him, huh?
Come on, buddy, let's go.
Come on. Go.
Get on there.
Finally got the subject.
Come on, get him now. Alright,
Okay.
where the hell am I? What the hell is this? I'm gonna get the laughing gas.
We know who you are. We created Lucky
I already
Monkey.
got it.
Alright,
Why can I not
give
get
him the
out?
laughing gas.
Come on. Come up and here. Let me put in the checker. I gotta put in the checker.
Alright.
Well, let me close the door real quick so then
Great job, everyone. Good work. High five.
This
Alright,
experiment's
guys,
Make
going
sure
good.
you get this back online. Make sure you get
Yeah,
that
we're
back
gonna, yeah, we're
online.
gonna have to try that.
I'm gonna make sure the vents are okay.
No! Let me out! No. I need to get out. No.
You can run, but you cannot hide.
Oh no. No. No, get out of the way, crates.
Get over here.
Oh, no. 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 Oh, let go. Let go of me. No. No. Please. No.
Have fun.
Ah.